Welcome to Slow English Listening. Hello, everyone. Today we have a fun new story for you. This video is very slow. It is perfect for beginners. It is a great way to practice your listening. Lily and Jake are at home, but they have a small problem. They have an invitation to a big party, but they don't have any nice clothes. It is time for the Red Error Challenge. In this video, there are 3 mistakes. Listen very carefully to their conversation. Look for the words that turn red. Do you know the correct words? Please write your answers in the comments. Your comments and likes help our channel a lot. So, please subscribe and like this video now. Are you ready to watch the story? Let's go!
Jake, look. There is a golden envelope on the table.
Really? What is it?
Let me see. Wow. It is an invitation. We are invited to the big city party.
The big city party. That is amazing news. When is the party?
It is tonight at 8 o'clock.
Oh no, that is very soon. Lily, look at my clothes. This old gray t-shirt is not good.
You are right, Jake. And my coral blouse is for work. I want a beautiful new dress.
We need to go shopping.
Yes, we must go to the mall now.
Let's find the best outfits for the party.
I am so excited. Let's go. Look at this huge building. The city mall is very big today.
Yes, there are many people here. Everyone wants new clothes for the weekend.
I hope we can find something special. I need a dress that is elegant and bright.
And I need a classic shirt and maybe new trousers. My old jeans are too casual for a big party.
Look, there is the entrance to the fashion floor. Let's take the escalator to the second floor.
Good idea. The best shops are usually there.
I see a shop with a big sign, trendy wear.
That looks perfect for us.
Let's go inside and start our shopping challenge.
I am ready. Let's find our party outfits.
Wow, this shop is very beautiful. I like the colors and the lights here.
You are right, Lily. Everything looks very expensive and stylish.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Trendy Wear. How can I help you today?
Hello, we are looking for party clothes. I need a long dress and my friend needs a shirt.
Of course. We have a new collection for parties.
That is great. Where are the men's shirts?
They are on the right, next to the suits.
Thank you. I see some nice blue and white shirts.
And where can I find the dresses?
The dresses are on the left, near the big mirror.
Perfect. Let's go and see them.
I hope they have my size here.
Don't worry, we have all sizes from small to extra large.
Thank you. You are very kind. Jake, we need to find a shirt for you.
You are right, Lily. I want something stylish for the party.
Look at this section over here. There are many different colors.
Oh, I like this white one. But wait, is this a skirt? Oh, I mean, is this a shirt?
Yes, Jake, it is a very nice shirt. It is classic and very clean.
I think it matches your green dress.
You're right. We will look great together.
Let me check the material.
It feels like high-quality cotton.
That is perfect for a long party night.
I am happy we found it so quickly.
Me too. Now let's find the rest of our clothes. Where are the fitting rooms? I want to try this blue shirt.
Look, the fitting rooms are over there. I am going to try my green skirt and a white top.
Great. I will meet you here in 5 minutes.
Okay, let's go.
Lily, are you ready?
Yes, look at me. Do you like this green skirt?
Wow, Lily. You look beautiful. The green color is perfect for you.
Thank you, Jake. Now it is your turn.
Look at my new shirt.
Oh, Jake, that shirt is very tight.
Yes, it is very uncomfortable. It is too small for me.
You are right. You need a bigger size.
I can't move my arms.
Go and ask the clerk for a large.
Good idea. I need a bigger one.
Excuse me. Can you help me?
Of course. How can I help you today?
I am looking for a dress for a big party.
We have many beautiful dresses here. Do you like this dark green dress?
It is very elegant. But do you have it in red?
Let me check. Yes, we have one red dress here.
I think the green one is better for you, Lily.
Really? Why do you think so?
The green color is very classic and stylish.
I agree with your friend. The green dress is perfect for your eyes.
Okay, I will take the green dress then.
Great choice. It looks very high quality.
Would you like to try it on?
No, thank you. I am sure it is my size.
Perfect. I will take it to the cash desk for you.
Thank you very much.
Now I need to find a nice shirt for the party. I like this dark blue one.
It looks very good, Jake. Is it the right size for you?
I am not sure. I need to check the label on the collar.
Can you see it?
No, wait. I can't find the sides. Oh, I can't find the size.
Let me help you with that. Look, the label is right here. It says medium.
I think medium is too small for me.
You are right. You need a large.
Let's look for a large on the next shelf.
I found one. Here it is.
Perfect. Now we both have our clothes.
Now we have our clothes, Jake. But we need something for our feet.
You are right, we need to find some shoes.
Look at those black high heels over there. They are very beautiful.
And I see some classic leather shoes here.
Oh, look, I love these silver shows. Oh, I love these silver shoes.
They are very shiny, Lily. They will look amazing with your green dress.
I think so too. Let me try them on.
And I will try these black ones.
Are they comfortable, Jake?
Yes, they feel very good.
My silver shoes are perfect too.
Great. Now our outfits are complete.
I am so happy. Let's go to the checkout.
Here's the cash desk.
Look, there is a small queue. We can wait for a minute.
No problem. I have our bags ready.
Hello? Are you ready to pay?
Yes, we have a dress, a shirt, and 2 pairs of shoes.
That is a great choice. Do you have a discount card for our store?
Yes, I have one in my wallet. Here it is.
Thank you. Now you have a 10% discount.
That is wonderful. How much is the total?
The total is $150.
Can I pay with my phone?
Yes, our terminal is ready.
Don't forget the receipt, Jake.
I have it. And here are our shopping bags.
Thank you. Enjoy your new clothes at the party.
Thank you. Have a great day. We are finally finished. Look at all these bags, Jake.
I know. We bought a lot of great things.
I am so happy with my green dress and silver shoes.
And my new blue shirt fits me perfectly.
The sun is still shining outside.
It is a beautiful afternoon for shopping.
Now we can go home and get ready for the party.
I am very excited to see our friends tonight.
Me too. We will look amazing.
Do you have the car keys, Lily?
Yes, they are in my pocket.
Great. Let's go to the parking lot.
We are ready for the big city party.
Let's have the best night ever.
Hello again, friends. It is time for a quick quiz. Are you ready to test your English? I will say 3 sentences about our story. You say yes if it is true or no if it is false. Number 1. Lily bought a red dress for the party. What do you think? Yes or no? Number 2. Jake needed a bigger size for his blue shirt. Think carefully. Yes or no? And number 3. Lily and Jake bought shoes in the store. Is that correct? Yes or no? You are doing great. Now let's see the results. Great job on the quiz, everyone. Let's look at the correct answers together. Lily chose the green dress, not the red one. Jake really needed a large size because the medium was too small. And yes, they found amazing shoes for the party. Today we learned words about clothes, sizes, and shopping. Remember, Practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, just like our friends. Thank you for watching Slow English for Beginners. Click the like button and subscribe for more lessons. See you in the next video. Goodbye.